Hello everybody, welcome to North of the Blues Market Overview. Today we're going to be using the channel analysis to take a look at the market, and I'm also going to be explaining why the market has jumped down this week and what the dangers are. The first chart we're going to be looking at is EEM. This is emerging markets. I use this chart to basically say if we are in a bullish or bearish market. So a bearish means the market is going down, bullish means the market will be going up. Real quickly, to understand how North of Blue works is when the trend line, which is this thick black or red line, crosses North of Blue, and these power lines are together, going up, it is time to enter a stock or bond ETF. When it drops below that, it is time to exit, as well as using this power chart, which is a type of, it's a version from the stochastic. If we get into a trend in this 85% zone right here, as you can see, good idea, or those are actually our rule, to state that if a stock drops below 85% with both power lines, it is time to exit. So we would have exited earlier this week's ETFs or bonds. And as well as it is good to notice that it does matter what order these power lines are in. The black represents upward price strength, and the blue represents high price strength, or volume and price. So when we have a spurge of volume, but the price doesn't move that much, it most likely means that the market will bounce off support lines or resistance lines, which can be these green lines right here, and also the blue moving average. So take, for instance, in the middle of June, when this line came back up, trend line came up, bounced off this resistance line right here, and this blue line bounced off the 85%. That is a very clear image of what the market can do and what this program can do to tell us if the market is going to bounce or not. So going back and looking over to the current day, we see the black is over the blue has come down to 15%, and also if you look at September, blue came down to 15%, black is near the 50% line, and it bounced up. This could possibly be what is happening right now. The other side of the coin is that if this does not come back within a few days, that, well, our market's going to drop even further down. So let's go ahead and take a look at another chart, IYY. This is the US total market, and it moves a little slower than the emerging market, but as you can see, kind of the same thing. We have the black over the blue, and this has not crossed the blue moving average yet. And why has the market gone down? Well, part of it is Ireland is now defaulting in the European Union, which is causing the dollar to rise, and when the dollar rises, the markets fall because of inflation at the moment. So gold and silver fall as well with the market. It is a very rare occurrence that the US dollar works against the market, but that is what has been happening lately. So we are going to take a look at the S&P 500. As you can see, kind of the same thing. Black is over the blue. They're both dropping down. It's coming near the blue moving average, and if we click off trend and put on bars, we can see we're just a little further up from the blue moving average. As you can see, the black is above the blue, and what I'm expecting is either bounce below or a bounce back up. So going ahead on, moving right along to the Dow, DIA ETF, same thing, black is over blue, they're dropping really fast, and as you can see again here, when this blue bar came up, and the blue power line came up with black below it, the markets came up, bounced off the blue moving average, and I'm going to click on bars real quick. This is back when I'm trying to lower their interest rates, and you can see the accuracy that North of Blue has. This was a Monday morning, and the market opened up and then quickly fell away, and we can see that with the blue over the black line, and that is what's happening, black and the blue. So I'm still expecting a bounce, but I have been disappointed before, and same with the QQQ. We've had a very large sell-off with the NASDAQ, but price is starting to average out a little bit, so the blue's volume still going down. So again, expecting a very large push through Thursday and Friday, either up or down the markets, just don't know which way quite yet. Take a look at gold, and we are right on the blue moving average. So whichever way gold goes tomorrow, if it bounces up, I personally enjoy silver more so because it is just cheaper, and it's had a very nice rise along with gold. So still black with the blue. We had a little gain today. It's sitting right at $25 today. The other thing we're going to take a look at real quickly is AGG. This is the bonds that I enjoy looking at. And as you can see today, the bonds have just fallen flat on their face. People are exiting out of everywhere. So the power lines have come together at the 15%. Still don't know what direction they're going to take, because 15, 50, and 85% are all support and resistance lines. So this could as well drop below or bounce off like it did back here in April. Just not very sure at this point. So that is it for the market overview. Really keep a watch on the markets today. If you are new to North of the Blue or do not understand the rules of North of the Blue or the charting, please email me at ryan@northoftheblue.com. Sign up for your free subscription and protect your stocks today. Until next time, this is Ryan Butcher. Thank you.